to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it yummy? Eat. You want more? Do you like it? You like it? Let's try one more. You want more? Hello everyone, welcome back to ZIKKI'S World. How are you all doing? As you can see in the introduction, I and my daughter, we are eating our caulirice and she really enjoyed that with me. So I'm going to show you how to make a caulirice. It's just using cauliflower to create just to make rice, the regular rice that we used to eat. Since I've been on low carb, I'm trying to find an alternative or the ways of making rice, so I came up with this. So over here I have my cauliflower. I'll be cutting it into two. I'll be using half of it. Just cut it into any chunk of your choice. I'll be using hand grater. You can go ahead and use any grater you have. As you can see, it is super easy to make this caulirice. It is super easy. Just begin to grate it, using the grater and a bowl. Everything will be going inside the bowl. Just grate it as much as you can. All the stem, everything have to go in there. Just grate everything. Then once you are done grating it, your rice is 50% ready. As you can see, my daughter is really a very good helper. Anyone that is falling on the counter, she will pick it up and add it there. I'm happy she's with me always at the kitchen. So this is what we got. This is the rice. Now we're going to prepare it. In a pot, I add about 2 cups of water and add my sieve and pour in the caulirice. If you have a steamer, you can go ahead and use it, but I don't have steamer right now, so I'm using my sieve. So just turn on your heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, it is ready, guys. Over there, as you can see, I am making stew we are going to use to eat this caulirice. So after the stew is done, we are going to eat the caulirice. Guys, look at that. It just looked like rice, exactly like rice. If you're on a low carb or keto lifestyle, this is for you. Even if you're not on low carb, this is still for you. Just enjoy yourself with this delicious vegetable caulirice. Did you see how red my stew is? I'm going to be sharing the recipe of how I make this Nigerian tomato stew very soon. Stay tuned, okay? So let's test the caulirice and see how it tastes. And then yeah, it is super delicious, really easy to make, no carb in this. You are just enjoying your vegetable and also eating your regular rice. When I started this, I do not like it, but I begin to love it because I know that I have to love it if I want to maintain this low carb diet. My daughter, oh my goodness, she wants to try it. Let's see her reaction, guys. Oh, she still wants more. Oh my goodness. She loves. Oh, she still wants more. So guys, this is just a quick one. Try it for yourself. It's really super easy to make. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed to be a part of the family. Click the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for the love. I appreciate all of you. You guys have shown me so much love. You stood by me, you support me and help my video keep going. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. And then let me know what you think about combination of cauliflower and stew. Try it and let me know what you think about that. Just leave me a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you. I will see you guys in my next video. One love, guys. Bye.